10 high-protein breakfasts, essential for your health over 40. Are you over 40 and feeling like your energy isn't what it used to be? Did you know your breakfast might be the missing link? Fueling your body correctly as you age is critical for sustained energy, muscle health, and overall well-being. This video reveals 10 high-protein breakfasts that are essential for your health over 40. These options use only easy-to-find ingredients and are made from whole foods. Please remember, this information is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If you have specific health concerns, always consult a qualified healthcare professional. The science-backed resources supporting the information presented in this video can be found in the description below. Welcome to our daily health. As we age, our bodies change. Metabolism slows, and muscle mass can decline. A high-protein breakfast becomes even more important for men and women over 40. It helps you maintain muscle, manage weight, and stay full longer. These breakfast ideas are simple, delicious, and packed with the protein you need. They are all made with whole foods you can find in any grocery store. 1. Plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice for a high-protein breakfast. It's made by straining regular yogurt, which concentrates the protein. A single serving can contain significantly more protein than conventional yogurt, making it incredibly filling. Protein is vital for muscle repair and growth, which is especially important as we get over 40. Maintaining muscle mass, also known as preventing sarcopenia, helps keep your metabolism active. It also supports your strength, mobility, and overall physical function as you age. Plain Greek yogurt also provides beneficial probiotics. These live bacteria support gut health. A healthy gut is linked to better immunity and mood. This makes it an ideal healthy breakfast foundation. It offers sustained energy throughout your morning. Tip: include plain Greek yogurt in your breakfast by pairing it with fresh or frozen berries and a small amount of nuts. This boosts flavor, fiber, and healthy fats without added sugars. 2. Whole eggs. Whole eggs are often called nature's perfect food for a reason. They are an incredible source of high-quality protein. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids. Your body cannot produce these amino acids on its own, so you must get them from food. Getting enough complete protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass as you age, especially over 40. Eggs are also rich in vital nutrients like choline. Choline is important for brain health and memory. They contain vitamin D, which many people lack, and which is crucial for bone health and immunity. This makes eggs a very versatile and inexpensive high-protein breakfast staple. They provide sustained energy without a sugar crash. Tip: incorporate whole eggs into your breakfast by preparing them scrambled, hard-boiled, or as a simple omelet. Pair them with a side of steamed spinach or sliced avocado for added nutrients and healthy fats. 3. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a powerhouse of protein that often gets overlooked. It is a fresh cheese that contains a significant amount of casein protein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein. This means it releases amino acids into your bloodstream gradually over several hours. This slow digestion helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. It also helps prevent muscle breakdown. This makes cottage cheese an excellent choice for weight management, which becomes more important as we get over 40. It's also a good source of calcium. Calcium is vital for maintaining strong bones as you age. This contributes to overall skeletal health. This simple dairy product can be a very satisfying and healthy breakfast component. Tip: enjoy a serving of cottage cheese by itself or mix it with fresh fruit like sliced peaches or berries. You can also pair it with a slice of whole grain toast and some sliced tomatoes or cucumbers. Found this video valuable? Like and subscribe for more health tips. Drop your comments or questions below. We're eager to hear from you. Please share this video to help others. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a unique and powerful whole grain that stands out for its protein content. Unlike most grains, quinoa is considered a complete protein. This means it offers all essential amino acids. This makes quinoa an exceptional plant-based source for your high-protein breakfast. It is also rich in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and blood sugar control. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important as we get over 40. Quinoa also provides important minerals like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. These are vital for energy production and bone health. This ancient grain cooks relatively quickly and can be prepared in various ways. It's a versatile and powerful breakfast for healthy aging. Tip: cook quinoa in water or unsweetened dairy-free milk to create a warm porridge base. Add nuts or berries after cooking to further boost protein and fiber content. 5. Rolled oats. Rolled oats are a fundamental whole grain that serves as an excellent foundation for a high-protein breakfast. While not as high in protein as Greek yogurt or eggs on their own, they are rich in complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan. This type of fiber helps lower cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full. This makes oats an ideal choice for sustained energy release throughout your morning. To transform rolled oats into a true high-protein breakfast, you need to combine them with other protein-rich ingredients. This helps meet your protein needs, which are crucial for muscle maintenance and overall health as you get over 40. Oats are very easy to find ingredients and incredibly versatile. Tip: prepare rolled oats as a hot cereal. Boost its protein content by stirring in a spoonful of natural nut butter or a handful of chopped nuts after cooking. 6. Cooked ground turkey or chicken. Cooked ground turkey or chicken offers a lean, high-quality protein source that's perfect for a savory breakfast. These lean meats provide all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth, which is particularly important as you get over 40. They are also excellent sources of B vitamins, especially B12, which is vital for energy metabolism and nerve function. Choosing lean ground meat helps you get protein without excess saturated fat. It's an easy-to-find ingredient in any grocery store and incredibly versatile for various breakfast dishes. Incorporating lean meats into your morning meal can help keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Tip: cook a small portion of ground turkey or chicken with a little seasoning. You can then add it to scrambled eggs, a vegetable hash, or a breakfast bowl with quinoa for a hearty, protein-packed start to your day. 7. Firm tofu. For a plant-based high-protein breakfast, firm tofu is an excellent option. Tofu is made from soybeans and is considered a complete protein. This means it provides all essential amino acids necessary for your body. This makes it an ideal plant-based protein source. It has a neutral flavor, which makes it very versatile. You can season it to create various savory breakfast dishes. Tofu is also a good source of calcium. Calcium is vital for bone density. Maintaining strong bones is increasingly important as you get over 40. It also provides iron and other minerals. This makes firm tofu a fantastic addition to your healthy breakfast foods list. It supports gut health and provides lasting energy without animal products. Tip: crumble firm tofu and sauté it with your favorite chopped vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Season with turmeric for color and nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor to create a savory scramble. 8. Cooked lentils. While less common for breakfast in many Western cultures, cooked lentils are an incredibly nutritious and protein-rich legume. Lentils are an amazing plant-based source of protein and dietary fiber. Fiber is very important for digestive health. It helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also promotes satiety, keeping you feeling full for longer. These benefits are crucial aspects of health as you get over 40. Lentils also provide essential minerals like iron, folate, and potassium. They offer a slow release of energy, preventing energy crashes. This makes them a hearty, satisfying, and very budget-friendly high-protein breakfast component. They are easy to find ingredients in any grocery store. Tip: incorporate cooked lentils into your breakfast by adding them to a savory hash with diced sweet potatoes or other root vegetables. You can also mix them into a small side dish with herbs and spices. 9. Green peas. Green peas are a surprisingly versatile and nutritious addition to your high-protein breakfast options. These small, sweet legumes are packed with plant-based protein and a good amount of fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health and helps manage blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for health management when you're over 40. Green peas are also rich in vitamins K and C, as well as several B vitamins and minerals like manganese. They are readily available in the frozen section of almost any grocery store, making them an incredibly easy-to-find ingredient for a quick and whole food breakfast. They offer a subtle sweetness and bright color to your meal. Tip: quickly steam or boil green peas until tender. Add them to a savory breakfast bowl with scrambled eggs or sautéed tofu. They can also be mixed into a simple side dish with other vegetables. 10. Natural peanut butter or almond butter. Natural peanut butter and almond butter are excellent sources of plant-based protein and healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats contribute significantly to satiety. They also provide sustained energy release, helping you stay full and focused throughout the morning. Choosing natural nut butter means avoiding added sugars and unhealthy oils, making it a true whole food option. Protein and healthy fats are crucial for managing appetite and supporting overall cell health as you get over 40. These nut butters are widely available and versatile additions to your high-protein breakfast. They help keep you energized for hours. Tip: spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter or almond butter, check for no added sugar, on whole grain toast or rice cakes. You can also mix it into your oatmeal or dip apple slices or banana pieces into it for a quick protein boost. Bottom line, incorporating these 10 high-protein breakfasts into your routine is truly essential for your health over 40. They provide the necessary fuel to support muscle mass, boost energy, and maintain a healthy weight. By choosing these healthy breakfast foods made from easy-to-find ingredients and whole foods, you can unlock vitality and ensure you're thriving as you age. Start your morning strong for a healthier future.